There's three main ways to get sound effects for videos. You can record them in camera while you're shooting, you can record them separately and add them in post, or you can download them from a sound library. And with each of these three methods, you can either use any of them on their own, or you can combine and layer them to get the most out of your audio. The benefit of this is you can get the exact sounds you want either by recording them yourself or downloading them. But then you can also add some more abstract sounds like ambience, hits, rises, and whooshes to make it all cinematic.